Hey everyone, and welcome to CounterBuzz. Today we're talking all things NL, and the NL fixture is something that we've had in the past.
Yeah.
So what's different about what you have today?
Well, so the NL has been in the past. It's a surface-mounted downlight. It fits within the designer series, right? So integrated LEDs, color temperature lenses, beam angle lenses, Luxor's built in, all those bells and whistles that gives you even like the extended warranty. So that's our regular NL. And what makes the NL so popular, in addition to it being on designer series, is that it fits perfectly on a 4x4 post.
Okay.
But what it didn't have is it didn't have an up and down option for downlighting. Okay? It was just a surface-mounted downlight. So we decided to add another version of the NL, and that is an up-down version.
So that's why from here down it looks like a fixture that we already have, and now we're adding the up version.
That's exactly right.
Okay, so what kind of shortcomings or what kind of problems is this going to solve for the contractor in the field?
Yeah, so a couple things. Number one, we did lengthen the glare shields on both the up and down version. Okay, so that gives you more glare protection. That makes it a safer, more comfortable environment for homeowners and those that are in the space. And designers, I think, and contractors are going to appreciate that extra glare control.
Do you have any kind of fun, exciting new ways that we install these fixtures, or is there something different about this fixture, the way we install it?
Well, there are some things that are new and some things that we did not want to change. Okay, so the mounting configuration, that the brackets that were there worked really well. Everybody loves them. They pop into place perfectly. They just work and they're easy. So we did not want to change that standard mounting option.
If it ain't broken, don't fix it,
Exactly.
Right?
Now what we did make sure that we worked with is the double gang wall plate cover. Okay, so we do have a wall plate cover for the NL, just the downlight version. That same plate also works with the up-down version to give you kind of a different mounting look. It kind of widens it, especially if it's going on a wider wall rather than that classic 4x4 post. And it works really well. The other things that are new would be is that while we have an up and down version, it doesn't really matter if you put the up in the down or the down in the upside. Okay, so you can mess it up in a sense. So that's not a major problem because we seal it the same whether it's on the bottom or the top.
Obviously, a lot of great features built into this new fixture. Ease of installation for the contractor. They're going to continue to love that. It's going to be a great spec item, so designers are really going to want to put this on their plans because you have that new up and down lighting capability.
Yep.
Ryan, thanks for bringing this by today. Great new fixture. Looking forward to seeing what else comes out from FX Luminaire. And thank you guys for stopping by. We'll see you on the next episode of CounterBuzz.